Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set your phone to automatically open apps once the sleep focus wind down started on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on focus, then tap on sleep. In here, swipe up and go down, then tap on schedule and options. Next, go down and tap on wind down shortcuts. And you can see in my wind down shortcuts, currently I have open music and open Spotify. So if you want, you can tap on add another shortcut. And in here, it will suggest you some apps like notes, music apps like YouTube Music, Spotify Music. Now, what option is available in here will depend on what you have installed on your device. You can tap on Show Apps from the App Store to download more apps. You can also ask your device to automatically open up the podcast app. You can also open up reading apps such as books right here, or you can open up reminders app, calendar, or notes, and you can also open up mindfulness app. So go down the list here and select. So it says select an app from your library, so you can choose other apps that is in your library. So just go down the list here and select the app that you wish to open once wind down started. So let's say if I choose notes, and then I can choose to open notes, scan documents, or domain name server. So let's say we choose to open notes. So let's say that every night before you go to sleep, you want to write a small diary, then you can automatically have your phone to open up notes ready for you to start writing. And finally, you can tap on the back here at the top to go back to your settings, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.